Right, this question deals with equations of a circle. We need to know what the basic equation of a circle looks like. So we're going to write that down. And then notice how this equation is not in the correct format. This equation needs to be switched to a different form. Everything right now is in the correct order. We just need to get this into the perfect square form. So what we do is we take half of this term, and that's what's going to go in the parentheses with the x. And then for the y, we're going to take half of this term, and that's what goes in the parentheses with the y. Now, in order to balance our equation, we have to add something to these sides. So we take this number and we square it. So 4 squared is 16, and negative 6 squared is 36. We're going over this kind of quickly because this is just review, but if you remember, the pattern is you take half of whatever the coefficient is, that's what goes inside the parentheses, and then you take that number and you square it, and that's what you add to the other side. Okay, so on this side we have to add the negative 27, the 16, and the 36, and that gives us 25. So when we rewrite our equation of the circle, it's going to be x plus 4, y minus 6, and we have 25. We have to remember the rule. The formula has a minus sign here, so we have to, when we write the coordinates, we have to switch the sign. So if this says plus 4, this is really going to be negative 4. And if this says minus 6, it's going to be a positive 6. This is r squared, so in order to get r, we have to take the square root. So we take the square root of 25 and get 5.